From National Highway ng Libungan North, Cotabato, dire-diretsuhin nyo lang po hanggang marating nyo ang Libungan Municipal Hall. And you're halfway there. And then after, you need to take the Libungan Alamada Road para marating ang Blue Pump. There are signages along the way kahit hindi ka mawawala.
So yun guys, punta na tayo ng reception area nila. Go, comedy. So hi guys, currently nandito po ako ngayon sa kanilang reception area. Hingin pa ngayon ng oras para maka-check-in mamayang 2 PM. Check-in time nila is 2 PM. 5 PM, and then ang check-out time naman is 7 AM to 12 noon the next day. So, yun. So, as you can see, ito ang kanilang reception area.
You will have this sticker on your wrist for the whole stay para malaman na isa kang guest. So this is their family room, good for 4 persons. Enjoy the resort with your barkada dito sa kanilang barkada room, good for 6 persons. At ang kanilang suite room. Nakasya ang buong pamilya at barkada. At may sariling access papunta ng pool area. Hanggang yan, meron ka pang sariling veranda.
So let's go guys, and let's go again. Hey guys, nandito ako ngayon sa kanilang fountain area. It's a giant chest. Look at that. May ilang background kasi may concert. guys, inabutan na tayo ng gabi and super duper nag-enjoy ako today. Actually, hindi ko pa sa asin super duper naikot pero super ganda ng place as in. Ngayon kakain na kami kasi gutom na ako. So, samahan niyo ako. Punta tayo na ang resto. It's actually about 9:30 PM. Hiling ko sana kami kaya alam maraming black ball. Kaya hindi na kami namutuloy. So, going back to the room na lang to take a rest. So, good night and see you tomorrow morning.
The next morning.
Hi everyone! So, good morning. And I just woke up. And kakain kami ng breakfast nila. So, ayan, kagigising ko lang and we'll have our shoot again and again by the pool kasi nga kagabi maraming black bag. So, yung breakfast po nila kapag naka-family kayo or naka-suite room kayo, libre na yung food niyo for complimentary meal. It's a food. So, it's early in the morning and we're currently here sa kanilang pool area. It's super nice and maganda siya kasi malinis.
Pool level, 2 feet to 5 feet only. The pool is also well maintained kahit malinis na malinis every time na nililigo kayo.
Guys, so we're done swimming and the pool is really wide and hindi kayo talaga yung magkikita ng mga tao. So it's really good.
Thank you for watching and see you on my next adventure.